Hello class, welcome to week 5, unit 2. This week includes drafting your informative essay, submitting the draft for classmates, and submitting the draft to online tutors, just to give you a taste of what's that like. If you learn how to do it and you find it helpful, then you'll certainly want to do it for your other papers this semester. Okay, week 5, unit 2. The daily calendar says to watch the PowerPoint about informative essay organization. It will tell you what kind of paragraphs go where. And remember that for an informative essay, you're not arguing, you're not giving your opinion, you're just educating the reader about the issue. So you can watch that PowerPoint on Monday. And then you want to look at the guided drafting PDF that again tells you exactly what kind of paragraph to put where. Then we're going to draft out the informative essay. We're going to include, way back at the beginning of the semester, we found 3 sources about our topic, and we've already worked with one of the sources about our topic. So this time we're going to work with the 2 other sources that we found on our topic, and we're going to try to integrate them into our informative essay. We're going to include parentheticals, also known as in-text citations, and a works cited page. You need to be sure those are formatted correctly. And you can get an example of that by looking at my document on how to format hanging indentions for the works cited page. You can look at my sample informative essay, which is also posted on Moodle. And then we're going to start doing some submitting of those drafts. In the cooperative activity, that notes that you're going to be submitting your draft to 2 different places. One is on Moodle in the open forum for your classmates to review, and the other is to the online tutors, which you'll also see a link for that on Moodle. And then we're going to submit our informative essay by noon on Sunday. And the submission link is in week 5, unit 2, lesson 3. Hooray! Okay. So, let's go to some of those assignments and see what there is to see. Okay. Here's one of the reading assignments for this unit. It tells you, this is the guided drafting. It says start with your intro paragraph, which is going to end in a thesis statement. Not an arguable one that we'll save for the last paper, but just an informative thesis statement. We're going to define our topic, whatever it is. The next body paragraph, we're going to give a little background, a little history. Might include some research in that, integrated some outside sources. And then we're going to have our our paragraph that analyzes the topic and includes the majority of our outside sources, the evidence to support the statement. And at the very end, we're going to have a concluding paragraph that's going to draw a conclusion and maybe include a call to action. Okay, and then we're going to have our works cited page as the last page attached to this writing assignment. To get it on a separate piece of paper, go to Insert Page Break, and you will see how that's done. Be sure you're documenting in MLA citation style.
You guys have lower level or coach seats?
We have lower level, sweetheart.
I just want to make sure because there's only like 3 seats
You don't
in
have
this
to worry
car.
about
And
that.
Okay.
I got that under control.
And let's see.
Yeah.
If there's anything else you need to know,
Everybody got a
always
lower level?
Zoom me something. Email me a question, and we'll get that taken care of. And let's take a look at my sample document
Coming with his wheelchair.
for
So,
It's gonna be a
this
problem since we already have one parked here.
paper.
It's gonna be a problem since we already have one parked here.
yeah, but I ain't got nothing to do with that.
There's the
They
intro.
got something to do with that. Not me.
There's the history of the topic, defining the topic and the history in the same one, the analysis paragraph, and the concluding paragraph, and my works cited page with I put in 3 sources.
Yes, we do.
Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Follow the examples and directions as